Hi students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of our English class. In the previous class we discussed the first part of the comprehension and today we are moving on to the next one. Okay, which are the topics we studied in the previous class? First one, vocabulary ladder. Then the second one, sentence making. And the third one, pick the correct answer. Then true or false segment. Then who said these words to who? Did you study all these topics? I hope all of you studied this one. When you see the classes or episodes, you should write the answers in your text using your pencils. That will be very easy for you to study at the time of exam. Okay, you study your topics regularly. That is the main thing. In the next month there will be a term text of 50 marks. Then you have to score very good marks. I hope all of you studied well and I wish you all the very best. Let us start our topic. All of you take the text page number 43. Yesterday we stopped in the segment who said these words to who. I said it once more. Your first one, if you will pardon me, I will give you a precious gift. Who told these words to whom? Who told these words to whom? These words were told by the thief to the emperor. The thief said these words to the emperor. And the next one, I do not plant crops, give the seed to the prime minister. Who said these words to whom? The emperor said these words to the thief. The emperor said these words to the thief. Okay. Next segment is listening and speaking. Next segment is listening and speaking. The seeds of all fruits are different. The seeds of all fruits are different. Some have a single big seed and some have many small seeds. Bring any one of the following fruit in class and speak about its size, number of seeds and why you like it. That means all the human beings are different in so many features. They are not same. All of us are entirely different. Like that, the seeds of the fruits are also entirely different. The seeds of jackfruit is not like the seeds of mango fruit. The seeds of apple is not like the seeds of orange. The seeds of grapes are not like the seeds of watermelon. The seeds of rambutan is not like the seeds of cherry. That means the seeds of each and every fruit is not the same. They are entirely different. The seeds of each and every fruit is entirely different from each other. They are not same. They are entirely different from each other. The seeds of a coconut is not like the seeds of a jackfruit. Okay. Then only one. Can you name some fruits that have only one seed? Can you name mango? Mango had only one seed. Mango had only one seed. Can you name a fruit that rambutan have only one seed? Rambutan have only one seed. Then name some fruits that have so many seeds. Orange have so many seeds. Oranges have so many seeds. Then jackfruit have a number of seeds. Then apple have so many seeds. Then pomegranate have a number of seeds. Then cherry have a number of seeds. Then which is the other one? Given here papaya is having a lot of seeds in it. Papaya seeds. There are a number of, that means hundreds of seeds in the papaya, hundreds of seeds in the jackfruit, hundreds of seeds in the which is the other fruit that is having hundreds of seeds? Guava. Guava is having hundreds of seeds in it. Some seeds are there in oranges, lemon, then which is the other one? Apple. Not so many seeds. A few seeds are there in apple. A few seeds are there in an apple fruit. Okay. Then write a paragraph on your favorite fruit. Draw the fruit and color it. Then write a paragraph about your favorite fruit. Can you write something about your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Then it is the king of fruit. We can write like that. It is the king of fruit. There are so many varieties of mangoes. Like Alfonso, then Malgova. Like that, so many varieties of mangoes are available in our country. only one seed. Then 5 sentences are already, we have spoken 5 sentences. We had told 5 sentences. The name of the fruit, mango, then the shape. It is almost a round shape. Then color. Green colored mango fruits are there. Then yellow colored mango fruits are there. Then size. It is not very big. It is not very big but not very small. It is an average size one season. In our vacations we get mangoes, type of seed. Only single seed, health benefits. Mango is very essential for our health. Then it is the work given to you. You have to write 5 sentences about your favorite fruit. 5 sentences about your favorite fruit. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Okay. Write 5 sentences about your favorite fruit. The next one is grammar. We are going to study grammar. Conjunctions. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Grammar. We are going to study about conjunctions. Conjunction. What is conjunction? What is a conjunction? C-O-N-J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. Conjunctions. C-O-N-J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-S. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions join pairs of words or sentences. Different conjunctions join different kind of things. Conjunctions are connecting words. Conjunctions are connecting words. We can connect two names or two things or more than two things using a conjunction. Conjunctions are connecting words. Simply we can say conjunctions are connecting words. Which are the conjunctions you have studied in your lower classes? Which are the conjunctions? And is a conjunction. I am a woman, I am a teacher. And here we can say that Asha is a girl. Asha is a girl. Aruthi is a girl. Aruthi is a girl. These are two sentences. Asha is a girl. Aruthi is a girl. We can use a connecting word or conjunction to join these sentences. To join these two sentences and make a single sentence. Asha is a girl and Aruthi is a girl. Asha and Aruthi are girls. Asha and is a conjunction. It is used to connect two things. Asha and Aruthi. A-R-A-T-I. Aruthi. Asha and Aruthi. Then it became the subject became plural, so we use are. Then girls. Plural. Asha and Aruthi are girls. Then it will become one sentence. Like that, we use conjunctions or connecting words to join different things. Different conjunctions join different kind of things. And the first one is and. Which is the first conjunction? And is the first conjunction. And is used when things are similar. For example, Ram and Shyam. That means and is a conjunction that is used to join similar things, similar ideas or the things that are alike. Same. When we want to join similar things, which is the conjunction used there? Which is the conjunction used there? And Asha is a girl, Aruthi is a girl. These are two similar things. The names are only different. Okay, Asha is a girl and Aruthi is also a girl. These are similar things, so we use the conjunction and. Asha and Aruthi are girls. Okay, and is used to join similar things. And is used to join similar things. For example, Shyam, Ram. Then red is a color, orange is a color. Red and orange are colors. Red and orange are colors. Two things are similar. So we use the conjunction and. Then the second one or. First one is and. The specialty of and is we use it to join similar things. Similar things. Similar means same. S-I-M-I-L-A-R. Similar things. And is used to join similar things. Then second one is or. And or. The second one is or. Or is used to join when there is a choice. When there is a choice, we have to select one out of other choice. When there is a choice, when there is a choice, C-H-O-I-C-E. When there is a choice, that means do you want tea or tea? Do you want coffee? C-O-F-F-E-E. Do you want tea? Do you want coffee? That are two sentences. We have to ask, do you want tea or coffee? Or is used to when there is a choice. That means you have to take only one. You have to select only one. Tea or coffee. Either tea or coffee. Or is used when there is a choice. That means, for example, tea or coffee. We have to select only one from the two. Tea or coffee. Do you want a shirt or t-shirt? Shirt or t-shirt. Either you take a shirt or you take a t-shirt. There is a choice. There is a choice. Or is used when there is a choice. Or is used when there is a choice. Next conjunction is because. P-E-C. First one is and. Second one is or. And the third one is because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Third one. Which is the third conjunction? Because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Because is used when reason for something. Because is used when we have to say the reason for when reason for something. Reason for something. Reason for something. We have to say about the reason for something. That is, example, I am late because it was raining. I am late because we are telling the reason for being late. We are telling the reason for being late. Because is used when we have to say the reason, give the reason for something. That is, I am late because there is no bus or because it was raining. I couldn't come on time because the bus was late. I couldn't come on time because the bus was late. The next one. Which is the next one? I was absent on yesterday because I had a fever. Because I had fever. We have, when there is a situation, we have to give the reason for something. We use the conjunction because. Because is used when there is a reason. When we have to give a reason for that. Okay. Next one, but. Which is the fourth one? But. B-U-T. But. The fourth one is but. But is used to join different things. Which is used to join similar things. And is used to join similar things. Then but is used to join different things. But is used to join different things. Different things. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-D. Different things. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-D. Different things. And is used to join similar things. But is used to join different things. For example, Ram went to school, but Shyam did not. Ram went to school. Crow is black. Crow is black. Is a sentence. Then crane is white. These are, is it a similar ideas? Is it similar things? No, it is different things. Crow is black. Just the opposite. Crane is white. It is different things. So we use crow is black, but crane is white. Crow is black, but crane is white. We use and to join similar ideas and but to join different ideas, and to join same things but to join different things, different ideas. Okay, which are the conjunctions we studied today? Which are the conjunctions which we studied today? And and to join similar things. Next one, or when there is a choice. Next one, because when reason for something. Next one, but different things. Okay, I hope all of you understood the meaning. Then we have to do some exercise, then it will be very easy for you to understand. Take page number 44. Join the following sentence using the correct conjunctions. You take a pencil and write it in the space provided. I can draw, I cannot sing. Is it similar ideas? No, it is different ideas or different things. I can draw, but I cannot sing. You write it in the space. First one, I can draw, D-R-A-W, draw, but cannot sing. But cannot, C-A-N-N-O-T. I can draw, but cannot sing. I can, first one is can, then the second one is cannot. These are different things. I can draw but cannot sing. Okay? I can draw but cannot sing. You write? Then the second one. I cannot go to the party. I have an exam. The reason for not going to the party. So we use, which is the conjunction used there? Because. I cannot go to the party. I cannot, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot go to the party. Go to the party, P-A-R-T-Y. I cannot go to the party because I have an exam. Because I have an exam. I have an exam, E-X-A-M. I cannot go to the party because I have an exam. Okay, it is the reason for something. Next one. Would you like to drink tea? Would you like to drink coffee? It is a choice. Which conjunction is used there? Or would you like to drink tea or coffee? Third one. Would you like to drink? Would you? W-O-U-L-D. Would you like to drink? Would you like to drink? D-R-I-N-K. Drink tea or coffee? Tea or C-O-F-F-E-E. Would you like to drink tea or coffee? It's a choice. Would you like to drink tea or coffee? That is a choice. So we use the conjunction or. Because is used because it is the reason. Then this is different idea. So we use the conjunction but this is a choice. We have to make a choice. Then we use the conjunction or. The sentence will become, would you like to drink tea or coffee? Would you like to drink tea or coffee? Then fourth one. They went into the mall they had dinner at the food court. They went into the mall and had dinner at the food court. Same ideas. They went into the mall. Fourth one. They went into the mall. Went to the mall. M-A-L-L mall. And they went to the mall and had dinner at the food court. And had dinner at the food court. They went into the mall and had dinner at the food court. Do you write? They went into the mall and had dinner at the food court. They went into the mall and had dinner at the food court. Next one. My brother threw the mangoes. I collected them. Which are different ideas. My brother threw the mangoes, but I collected them. My brother threw the mangoes, but I collected them. My brother threw the mangoes, but I collected them. My brother threw the mangoes, but I collected them. Yes, listen. My brother threw the mangoes. My brother threw the mangoes, but I collected them. First one is threw the mangoes, then second one is collected them. That are different things. So we use the conjunction but. My brother threw the mangoes. Fifth one. My brother threw, T-H-R-E-W, threw, T-H-R-E-W, threw the mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes spelling M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes, but I collected them. You write in the text, the space provided. My brother threw the mangoes, but I collected them. My brother threw the mangoes, but I collected them. Next one. She came to school. She did not give the text. She came to school. She did not give the text. She came to school because she did not give the text. She came to school. Sixth one. She came to school. Came to the reason. She came to school because. For what she came to school? It is the reason. For what she came to school? She came to school because she did not give the text. She did not give the text. T-E-S-T. She did not give the text. She came to school because she did not give the text. The reason for why she came to school. It is the reason. So we use the conjunction because. She came to school because she did not give the text. Okay. Next one. He failed. He did not work hard. He failed because he did not work hard. Okay, the sixth one, once more I am repeating that one. You please listen. She came to school, but she did not give the text. But is used here. But she did not give the text. But she did not give the text. She came to school, but she did not give the text. But she did not give the text. It is a reason, we have to say a reason, but it is different ideas. She came to school, but she did not give the text. But she did not give the test. It is more suitable. Okay. 6-1. You write the answer and write. She came to school, but she did not give the text. But she did not give the text. 7th one. He failed because he did not work hard. That is the reason. That is only way reason. So we use the conjunction because. He failed because he did not work hard. He failed. He failed. Why did he fail? He failed because B-E-C-A-U-S-E. He failed because he did not work hard. Because he did not, D-I-D-N-O-T, did not work hard. Work hard. When only you hard work, you can succeed in your life. When only you work hard, you can succeed in your life. He failed because, what is the reason for his failure? He failed because he did not work hard. He failed because he did not work hard. He failed because he did not work hard. Then the last one, Reena is intelligent, Meena is intelligent. That are similar ideas. Similar things, similar ideas. So we use, which is the conjunction we use to present similar ideas. And Meena and Reena are intelligent. Meena is intelligent and Reena is intelligent. When the subject is singular, we use is. When the subject is plural, we use are. Okay. Reena and Meena. 8th one. Listen here. Reena and Meena. Reena and Meena. Then which will be the verb? Are. Because the subject is singular, not singular, plural. Reena and Meena are intelligent. I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T. Intelligent. Reena and Meena are intelligent. Reena is intelligent. Meena is intelligent. These are similar ideas. So we use the conjunction and. When we join Reena and Meena, it will become a plural subject. So we use are there. Is changes to are. Reena and Meena are intelligent. Is there any doubt? No. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can call me and ask. Okay. This is the join the following sentence using the correct conjunctions. Conjunctions are connecting words. Simply we can say conjunctions are connecting words. Next one, underline the conjunction in the following passage. There are some conjunctions in the following passage and you underline it. I wanted to decorate my house, so I went to the market. I wanted to decorate my house, so is a conjunction. Underline the word so. I wanted to decorate my house, so I went to the market. I want to decorate my house, so I went to the market. I bought some beautiful paintings and new curtains. And first one so, then second one and. Next I went to a painter, but he was not at home. But he was not at home. So I left my telephone number. So is a conjunction. So I left my telephone number. I waited for him to call. When he did not, I went again. He could not call because he had lost my number. He could not call because he had lost my number. Now my house looks beautiful as it has been painted and beautiful paintings hang on the walls. And then listen, which are the conjunctions we underlined. First one is so, then second one and, third one but, fourth one so, then fifth one because, then sixth one and. Okay, underline the conjunctions. Then I value level segment. A single seed is powerful. It powerful. A seed is very powerful. A single seed is powerful. It germinates, sprouts, germinates, grow into a plant or a tree and produces thousands of seeds. From a single seed, a tree was born, and from that tree, so many thousands of seeds came. Okay, in the same manner, one good turn has that we take start a chain of good turns. That means one good deed. Our deed should be very truthful and loyal. Our action should be very loyal. Then only we can bring or we can get the result in a good amount, in a good quantity. If only we, as you sow, so you reap. There is a saying, proverb. As you sow, so you reap. When only we plant a jackfruit seed, we get a jackfruit tree. Okay. If we are planting an orange seed, we get only orange tree. Okay, like that. When our actions are good, we get the result as in a best way. We get the result in a best way. A single seed is powerful. It germinates into a plant or a tree and produces thousands of seeds. In the same manner, one good turn has we take started chain of good turns. Have you done something good today? Today, you remember, try to recollect the things we do in a good manner. Okay, it is the value of segment. On your birthday this year, distribute food and sweet to the underprivileged and hungry. That means, in this chapter we had seen that a poor man lived in China and he stole a pear fruit from the fruit seller. Why he steal that thing? Because he is hungry. So on your birthday you take a pledge, take an oath that you will give some food to the underprivileged. That means the needy, underprivileged, the poor people, very poor people. Try to give food to the very poor people. Okay, this will be enough for today, and this is the end of our fifth chapter, and we have to do some comprehensions in the next class. Okay, let us wind up the class. Thank you. Study well and score good marks. Thank you very much.